In this video, you'll learn how to get started with surface caries detection in Trios DX. This AI-assisted aid to the standard dental examination gives the dentist an objective, quantified, and comparative view that supports well-informed decisions. Open your case and enter Trios DX. By default, you will land in the Diagnose tab under Inspect. Scans are arranged chronologically on the timeline, each labeled with the date it was taken. Make sure the latest scan is selected on the timeline. In Inspect, you can examine each scan individually to review detected findings. Detected conditions appear in the left-hand menu. Surface caries is listed at the top. Ensure the scan is displayed in the open jaw occlusal view. If not, use the Quick View buttons on the right-hand menu. Areas with surface caries are highlighted in yellow and red, with a legend provided to explain the color coding. Rotate the model to reveal every area marked in yellow or red. Yellow indicates enamel caries representing early stages of decay. These appear as white or brown spot lesions without cavitation, or localized enamel breakdown that does not expose dentin. Red indicates caries with lesions that range from early dentin involvement to extensive cavities. Open the Info tab for a short explanation and reminder. When zooming in on a caries lesion, the color overlay fades, revealing the underlying high-resolution scan and enabling close inspection. Selecting a lesion opens a pop-up where you can adjust or delete the finding if it conflicts with your clinical judgment. The AI confidence score shows how certain the system is about the detection. Rotate the scan to inspect the lingual aspects of the upper and lower anterior teeth. Select Compare to display two scans separated by a slider, ideal for tracking progression. You can select the scans to compare by expanding and selecting another scan. To further improve patient communication, the whiteboard in the right-hand menu allows you to highlight, color, and comment on specific findings. In this view, you can also remove texture. Add reflections to the scans for a more lifelike appearance, and automatically trim the scans for a cleaner look. To view and share selected key findings, go to the Share tab. Then choose either Share to Patient app or create a PDF report. Here, you can share scans and key findings directly with the patient by entering their mobile number, connecting them to the Dental Health app, or create a PDF report. The PDF report, once it's ready, can be found in the patient library.